Hey everyone, today I am telling you how I solve a clerical-level puzzle in 1 minute and 30 seconds. So let's begin. 10th floor, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Do you leave topmost or a bottommost? And leave odd number floor below 5th. 2 floor gap between N and P. D leave just above M. तो हमारा सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी गलत हो गया. There are 2 floor gap between O and C. The number of floor below C is equal to the number of floor below above O. 1 floor gap between O and G. तो देखो O को C को यहाँ लेंगे, O को यहाँ लिया, G को यहाँ लिया. E live above H and both are living in an odd number floor. Completed. 30 सेकेंड पहले मैंने बना लिया.